Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your OPPO Find X9. So, as you guys can see, you guys can notice my battery being at 79%. But what happens if you do not have the battery information on your status bar? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix it, and first we're going to start over by going into the settings. Now here, we want to go over to notifications and quick settings and select the status bar. Now here we have the battery style and battery percentage. It's not in the battery settings, it's right here. So you guys can choose your style like horizontal, vertical, loop, or just hide it. And here you have the battery percentage. Of course, you guys can use it with every single battery here, and with the horizontal one, you guys can actually place it inside of the battery icon. So it's totally up to you how you guys use it, but this is where you guys can find it, and this is how you guys can enable it. It's not available on some devices, but for this one it is, so here's how to find it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.